Today let us look at our AMD-2510 CNC turret punching machine. It's one of our older models, but it's known for having a sturdy, well-rounded and affordable build. We have a Chinese patent on this particular model where the flywheel is placed inside the machine. The C-type frame repeatedly underwent the tempering treatment to reduce internal stress. In plain English, that means it can maintain its original shape much better. There will be English labels on everything, of course, so you don't have to worry about that. It uses the Siemens operating system and Yaskawa servo motors. This combination makes it highly responsive and easy to operate. There is no need to manually program the machine. It's got a decent punching frequency at 270 hits per minute. The ball screw shaft, guide rail, pneumatic components are all picked from internationally renowned brand names to ensure quality. A float-type pneumatic clamp is used to grab onto the steel plates, which increases the processing accuracy. Also, the machine has a centralized lubrication system, so you shouldn't have to manually lubricate anything. That should be it. If you have any questions, post a comment. If I can't answer it, one of our talented, if aloof engineers will answer it for you, and I will post their response. Thank you.